Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In Part 1, we discussed the function of the EVP position sensor and how to diagnose issues with it. Now, in Part 2, we'll guide you step by step through the replacement process. Let's dive right in. Locating the EVP position sensor in your vehicle. The EVP position sensor is usually located near the EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, valve in the engine compartment. You may need to refer to your vehicle's manual or do some online research to pinpoint the exact location in your specific vehicle model. Removing the old EVP position sensor. To remove the old EVP position sensor, you'll need to disconnect any electrical connectors attached to it and then carefully unscrew it using the appropriate tool. Take care not to damage the surrounding components during this process. Installing the new EVP position sensor. Once the old sensor is removed, it's time to install the new EVP position sensor. Begin by securely screwing it into place and reconnecting any electrical connectors. Ensure everything is properly tightened and secured before proceeding to the next step. Testing the new EVP position sensor. After installing the new EVP position sensor, it's crucial to test it to ensure proper functionality. Start your vehicle and monitor its performance, checking for any warning lights or unusual engine behavior. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your EVP position sensor. By following these steps carefully and taking the time to do the job right, you can replace your EVP position sensor efficiently and effectively, keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Tips for maintaining EVP position sensors. Maintaining your EVP position sensors is crucial to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your vehicle. By following these simple tips for regular cleaning and inspection, as well as adhering to manufacturer guidelines for replacement, you can extend the life of your EVP position sensors and prevent costly repairs down the road. Regular cleaning and inspection. Regular cleaning and inspection of your EVP position sensors can help identify any issues early on and prevent potential malfunctions. Start by visually inspecting the sensors for any dirt, debris, or corrosion that may be affecting their performance. Use a gentle cleaner and a soft cloth to carefully remove any buildup on the sensors. Avoid using harsh chemicals that could damage the sensors. After cleaning, perform a thorough inspection to check for any signs of wear or damage. Look for loose connections, frayed wires, or any other visible issues that may indicate a problem with the EVP position sensors. Addressing these issues promptly can help prevent more serious problems in the future. Following manufacturer guidelines for replacement. When it comes time to replace your EVP position sensors, always refer to the manufacturer guidelines for the correct procedure. Each vehicle model may have specific requirements for replacing EVP position sensors, so it's important to follow these instructions carefully to ensure proper installation. Before starting the replacement process, make sure to disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. Remove the old EVP position sensors according to the manufacturer's instructions and install the new sensors in the correct position. Double-check all connections and secure the sensors properly to prevent any issues once the vehicle is operational again. By following these tips for maintaining your EVP position sensors, you can keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. Regular cleaning and inspection, along with proper replacement procedures, will help extend the life of your EVP position sensors and avoid unnecessary expenses in the long run. In this comprehensive guide, we have delved into the intricacies of EVP position sensor replacement, providing you with a detailed roadmap to navigate this crucial aspect of vehicle maintenance. From understanding the signs that indicate a faulty EVP position sensor to learning the step-by-step process of replacing it, you are now equipped with the knowledge and confidence to tackle this task with ease. Key takeaways. Always pay attention to warning signs such as rough idling or stalling, as they could indicate a problem with the EVP position sensor. Consult your vehicle's manual to locate the sensor and familiarize yourself with the components involved in the replacement process. Remember to disconnect the battery before starting the replacement to avoid any electrical mishaps. Take your time and follow the replacement steps carefully to ensure a successful installation. After replacing the EVP position sensor, test your vehicle to ensure that it is functioning properly before hitting the road. Your next steps. Now that you have a clear understanding of EVP position sensor replacement, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a novice looking to enhance your automotive skills, replacing the EVP position sensor is a task that you can easily master with the right guidance and tools. So, grab your toolbox, put on your work gloves, and embark on this rewarding journey of maintaining your vehicle's performance and reliability. Remember, A well-maintained EVP position sensor is the key to keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently for miles to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.